Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Wallingford Financial. Just another update here on Hexo. Talked about them a lot here on the channel. This one is talked about a lot. It's got a lot of information out about it. I keep running into things about it, so keep deciding to talk about it. It's been a popular one, so this is Hexo. Ticker is Hexo. Here's a look over the last year. Had the nice run up in February, and ever since then it's just been on a nosedive almost, and it's down again today. Down in the last 3 months, the last week, and here today it's even down. Almost making me want to buy some more of it. I'm waiting for it to see what it's going to bottom out at. Currently, we'll just call it 79 cents. If you don't know what this one is, it's in the MJ space. As you can see right there, like I said, I've talked about this one numerous times. I'll link those videos in the description for you. Been around since 2013. Volume of 5.33 million, average of 8.97 million, $284 million market cap, and a low today of 0.7911, 52-week low of 78 cents. High of $11.04. And here's the ratings on this one is 60% hold. And there's a look at the earnings. Last time I bought was at 85 cents back on the 15th. So I think I'm going to try putting an order in for 78 cents and see what happens on this one. So see if it's filled. Got some information out about this one. Why Canopy Growth, Hexo stock dropped today, but Sundial popped. I just did a video about Sundial, so you can find that in the library. We're treated rare a day on Wednesday, one of the infrequent days in which MJ stock didn't just all move up or down and miss, but in which we're both winners and losers. As of 11:05 Eastern, small cap of Sundial is leading the winners higher with a 4.2% gain. In contrast, Canopy Growth is down 2%, and Hexo is falling even further with a 3.4% loss. What's moving the market today? The most obvious answer is Bank of America. So Bank of America cut its rating on Canopy Growth. Well, shame on you, Bank of America. From neutral to underperform, and I just did a video on Canopy Growth within the last couple days. Sell on worries that Canopy Growth is falling behind the competition in Canada. On the other hand, the banker agrees with MJ Bulls that there's a long-term potential in the legal global MJ industry driven by United States federal legalization and changing attitudes toward MJ consumption. On the other hand, Bank of America fears that Canopy Growth isn't living up to the potential. Canopy has shown mixed progress on key performance metrics, scolds Bank of America, and is confronted with a rapidly evolving Canadian market with new entrants taking market share. Although encouraged by the company's sizable cash reserves and its backing by Constellation Brands. And as we know, Constellation Brand dumps billions into it. Here's the rest of the article. Both companies, by the way, carry a lot of debt alongside that cash, but Canopy's $1.5 billion in cash at least outweighs the $1.3 billion in debt. Hexo's $317 million debt load is 7 times the size of its cash reserves. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Cash analysis may also explain why Sundial is avoiding today's downturn and actually even eking out of some of the stock price gains. With $585 million cash in the bank and debt load of only $19 million, Sundial is arguably in a better position than either Canopy or Hexo. Wow. That is really interesting to know. Here on Bing, currently showing Hexo as a hold. And here's an in-depth look at Hexo yesterday. Beta value of 2.05 has seen 5.96 million shares traded in the last trading session. The company currently valued at 350.07 million closed the last trade at 79 cents per share, which meant it lost minus 0.05 on the day, or minus 5.93% during that session. The Hexo stock price is minus 1,297.47% off of the 52-week high price of $11.04 and a 1.27% above the 52-week low of 78 cents. If we look at the company's 10-day average daily trading volume, we find that it stood at 9.24 million shares traded. 3-month trading volume is at 10.23 million shares. Here kind of goes over some trade information. Over the last 30 days, the Hexo shares have changed minus 40.08. Short interest in the company has seen 27.71 million shares shorted, with days to cover at 4.29. Here's the estimates and forecasts. And moving on, are investors keen on selling holding in Hexo Corp? Traded at 85 cents at the last check on Tuesday, the 21st, made an upward move, 6.90% in the previous day price. Looking at the stock, we see the previous close at 79 cents, reads at 2.05 from the day's price range, being 78 cents to 0.8399 in terms of its 52-week price range. Hexo has a high of $11.04 and a low of 78 cents. Company stock has lost about 40% over the past 30 days. Hexo Corp is minus 77.54 lower year to date. Is it still time to buy? And I bought some just to lower my cost basis. The first couple videos I made on this one, I was had a cost basis of $17. That was from a reverse split or reverse merger, whatever they did. So therefore I ended up with a fourth of the shares, and just totally backwards, but I've really decreased my cost basis, so I'm trying to do it more. But Hexo announces a date of fiscal 2021 annual meeting of shareholders, and today announced that it is fiscal 2021 meeting of shareholders will be held on March 8th of 2022, so you can put that on your calendar. The director has fixed the close of business on February 4th, 2022 as their record date for determining which shareholders will be entitled to receive notice of the voting at the meeting. So if you're in Hexo, you might want to put those two dates, March 8th and February 4th, on your calendar and watch the stock on those dates. Hexo represents 251.81 million in outstanding shares, while the company has a total market value of 374.09 million. With the latest information, Hexo stock price has been found in the range of 80 cents to 86 cents. So this one, and like Sundial, needs to get things going. Don't know what that's going to take. I've been saying that about Sundial for I think about a year now. So here on Reddit, 3 months ago, Molson Coors and Hexo Corp joint venture, and I covered that. So this one's doubtful if it's going to go bankrupt in regards to the backing by Molson Coors. Same thing with Canopy Growth and Constellation Brands. So over here on StockTwits, currently at 79 cents, a low of 78, high of $11.04. Hexo added. On the prize, this too shall pass. That's what I say. Good move or bad move, Hexo RSI indicator left the oversold zone. We shall see what that holds. And just did a video on Sundial. It's currently at 65 cents. Guys, see fresh positive news. I've done videos on all of these here in the last week. Tilray I have not, on Aurora, Hexo, and always doing videos on High Tide. That's still my favorite. Moving over here to tip ranks, currently at 79 cents, showing a moderate sell with a 30% upside to $1.04, high of $1.63, and low of 62 cents. But if you have Hexo, you can go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you want to share, and anything that would help us make some money off of this one. And as you can see, I'm putting in a sell order, or a buy order, see if this gets filled. And 78 cents, I'm just going to do 10 of them. And the reason I'm only doing 10 is because who knows, it could drop some more. So, and right there it is, 78 cents, 10 of them. So that'll knock my cost basis down a little bit more. So see if it goes down any more, and might be buying some more. So, but if you have Hexo, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you want to share, and anything else that would help us make some money off of this one would be appreciated. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.